ready to unlock the secret weapon for skyrocketing your WhatsApp engagement. First, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, navigate to the Flows section in the left-hand menu. Think of Flows as the blueprint for your chatbot's personality. Click on the Create Flow button and give your flow a descriptive name, like Welcome Flows, so you know exactly what it does. Now, let's add a trigger. This is what kicks off the conversation. Select the trigger node and set it up to be activated by a specific keyword. Maybe hello. This means when someone messages you hello, your flow springs into action. Next, connect a send message node to your trigger. This node lets you craft the response your customer will receive. Type a friendly, welcome message. Maybe offer some options to choose from. To make it interactive, add button nodes connected to your message. Give each button a clear label, like track, order, or contact support. These buttons will appear as clickable options for your users. Now, connect each button to another send message node, or any other relevant node, to create a seamless conversation path. For example, the track order button can lead to a node that asks for the order number. Once you're happy with your flow, activate it. Then, send a test message to your WhatsApp number using the trigger word hello. Watch your chatbot in action and refine as needed. That's it. You've just created your first Aisensy flow. Now go build some engaging chatbots.